Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Offences against Tourists Now Cognizable in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan Assembly on Monday, that is September 13, passed a bill to amend the Rajasthan Tourism Trade, Facilitation and Regulation Act 2010. The bill mainly seeks to prevent touts from tourist sites. According to this provision, misbehavior with tourists has been made a cognizable offence in the state. Additionally, subsections 3 and 4 under Section 13 of the 2010 Act have been made cognizable and non-bailable. Section 13 deals with prohibition of certain acts and activities in the tourist places, areas and destinations, which prohibits touting, begging and hawking articles for sale in or around any tourist places. The subsections 3 and 4 deal with habitual offenders. The touts, known locally as lapka, often misled and force tourists to shop, usually at exorbitant prices, in connivance with establishments, earning a commission in the process. Tourism is one of the key industries in Rajasthan, a state visited by several domestic and foreign tourists on an annual basis. It witnessed 5.2 crores domestic and 16 lakh foreign tourists in 2019. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.